Plant versus Zombie. So today, let's do bonus game again. I mean mini game. Let's do mini game again because mini game is fun. And we will do what? What mini game I wanna do? Let's do. It's raining shit. It's raining shit. Yeah, let's do this. It's raining shit. Okay. Oh, it's actually raining. It's actually raining, guys. Ready, set, plan. What? Oh no, my controller. I don't wanna do that. Oh, this is bad. My controller is bad. What is it? What I wanna do? I don't know what I wanna do. Oh no. Let's do like this. Okay, we can see right now. Four wave. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I wanna do right now. Let's just put in here and put this in here. Lily pad. Maybe I will just put lily pad in here. Oh no, my ladder. This zombie will add my ladder. No, don't add that. Please, don't add that, please. Please, pretty please. No. Okay, I will put this thing in here. Oh yeah, Raikal. Freeze all thing. I will save it. Maybe I cannot save it, but yeah, maybe we can do something. You know, something. If this ice thing blip, I will like this blip. I will just use that. The Townland need help. Townland go. Okay. This is bad. This is bad. Very bad. Hey, lily pad again. I will put lily pad in here. Is this balloon zombie in this level too? Oh, this is bad. You give me cactus because this level have balloon zombie. Are you? Bucket head. My thingy maybe cannot handle this bucket head. Oh no, this is bad. This bad. Hey, Plover. Whoosh. I must save the Plover. Why I do right now? I don't know. My ladder will eat. They will eat my ladder. Oh no. My sight, my vision. I will lose my vision. Can I do this? I don't know if I can. I will lose my vision. That's bad. Like really bad. And that in the third land with shooter. Why I not put shooter in the third land? Okay, let's put this in here. My vision is gone. Is bad. Oh, walnut. let's put walnut in here. Maybe if I get ladder again, panther again. Yeah, let's put in here. Ooh, the bombs room. Hey, this is the wave. Yeah, let's do bombs room. That's really nice. What am I gonna do? Let's put this in here. Yes. Hey, lily pad again. What I wanna put you? Let's just put in here. Lily pad again. Let's put you in front. Maybe I will put. Oh no, they will steal my plan. Oh no, this is we can handle this. You maybe get. Oh no, pretty nice actually. Hey, we can have vision again. Aha, little vision, but it's vision. You know, vision. Maybe just little area, but it's still vision. Okay. I will just do like this. Pretty nice. What I wanna do? What I wanna do? Let's just use Sarapido. Magnet room. Maybe I will put magnet room in here. Woohoo! This thing. This is huge. I must put this in the 2 line or 4th line. Hey, free mushroom. Hey, I will put you in here. Hey, catapult. Nice. Star fruit. Oh no, I don't wanna put on that. My controller screw me up. Chomper, let's put Chomper in here so he can eat something, you know. Oh, my Chomper will be it. Oh no, it's still okay. Let's put shooter in here. Oh, my torchwood is gone. Bad. Okay. Hey, at least we have Spike. Let's put Spike in here. Another thingy. I will put thingy in here. Oh, you will steal my magnet, really? You will steal my magnet? Oh, screw you. Hey, defender. Let's put defender in 4th line. Ho 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 ho. Yeah, just steal that. That's just Upstream anyway. Hey, magnet again. I will put magnet in here. Let's dig up this plant, shall we? And put better one. Haha. What is this? Let's just put in front. Maybe can be blocking. what that plant anyway? Let's put in that. Where I wanna put this? I don't know. Let's put in behind this. We have little sight. We have little vision again. Okay. We pretty much win, guys. We pretty much win. Maybe or not. I will put mushroom in front because mushroom is short range anyway. If I put in behind, it will become useless. Where I wanna put this? Where I wanna put this? Bomb? Why bomb in here? Maybe I will save bomb for safety reason. Safety reason. What safety reason anyway? Hey, corn. We have corn. Also, we have corn. Maybe we have. Yeah. I lose my cherry bomb, but it's okay. I don't know where I wanna blow up anything anyway. No, I don't wanna do my controller. Hey, big guy. I will put big guy in here. Jumper, wow, jumper. I will put jumper in front. You can eat something, jumper. Make your stomach full. I will put in here maybe. Yeah, put in here. I wanna do like this. What was that? I don't know. Wow, you wanna take my big guy? Please don't take my big guy. Come on, you rude. You stealer zombie. You stealer zombie. Let's blow up this. I see that all-star. Oh no, that's big all-star. I don't wanna hit. Oh no 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 no. Cherry bomb will gone. I don't know. I don't know guys where I wanna put cherry bomb. It's just waste. You know, it's just waste. Cherry bomb Malcolm. Stop giving me cherry bomb. I don't know why. Hey. Ah yes. Please find place for cherry bomb. Haha. That's the first time I do cherry bomb in my life. Not in my life. In this challenge. Marigold. Why Marigold in here? Marigold is useless. I don't need coin. Come on. Hey, repeater. Repeater is not useless. It's very useful. Repeater. 3 times the max. Let's just put it here. I will put defender. Why pattern don't show up? I wanna see pattern, you know. I wanna have vision. I wanna have vision. I don't like this fox. Plover, please use plover or something. I have final wave anyway. Yeah. We pretty much win, and my Marigold doesn't give me coin. Really, Marigold? You useless for fighting, and you don't have me coin. Don't give me coin. Oh, you give me coin actually. You not pretty much useless right now, Marigold. But you still. We win. We win. And we got trophy. Pretty nice. Trophy. Keep on collecting. That's trophy, yeah. I will keep collecting that. Continue. Yeah, we win, guys. It's Raining Seed Challenge. Mini game. Okay. I think I will end this. Bye bye. Thank you.